के लोग ना बॉलीवुड के बड़े फैन हैं।
मैंने तुमको चाहा, तुमसे प्यार किया, सब कुछ तुमसे यार, अपना बारिली बन गई, जोगन बन गई, प्रीति से जोगी लाइन बुला दिया।
अरे भैया आपने जोगन मोगन बोल के Are you guys excited about the trek?
Very much excited.
Great. I will see till what time does this excitement last, because the trek is long and it will definitely demand a lot of stamina. After a 45 minutes trek, we have reached here. This place is called longest single route bridge and it is just amazing. I mean, my eyes could not believe this. Let me just show you around. I'm feeling cold. It's very cold, but it's amazing feeling which you get. Top of it, मछलियाँ भी बहुत सारी नहीं है, तो comfortably कर सकते हो swimming. Hi guys, welcome back and we are in Cherrapunji. Like you know, yesterday we did the double-decker route, living route bridge, and that trek was really very tiring. So today we are going to the cleanest village of India that is known by the name of Molinong, and yes, let's go together. Hi guys, so one place that I would highly recommend all of you is this place. The name of the restaurant is Orange Roots, and I think a day back we had lunch from here and today we are here for breakfast. The food is really good. Everything is just very hygienic and clean. They have dosas, they have a lot of options you can choose from. So if you ever get to visit Cherrapunji, please make sure that you have at least one meal here. I think you will thank me for this. guys, before you enter the waterfall, there are small shops all around the place. वैसे तो हर जगह touristy places पे ऐसे shops होते हैं, but what is different here is that you can buy cinnamon sticks from here. They grow it here, and I have for the very first time seen these long cinnamon sticks. I mean, this is crazy, है ना? So if you want to get one for your homes, you can. Guys, we have reached here in Molinong and it is 5 p.m. and can you see how dark it is? So basically we are not going to visit any places around. We will just wait for tomorrow. Please ensure that you book your stay prior to coming to this place. In the parking they have stopped us and they didn't let us enter the village, so we actually walked into the village, got our homestay booked, and then got our luggage, got our car inside. So just make sure about that. Now we are headed towards a restaurant that is nearby, and we will be having our dinner there. रेस्टोरेंट का नाम क्या है? हाला एक ट्रिप. I will write somewhere here because I also cannot pronounce, but we have had stomach full of food and we've just paid $300 for 3 people. So whenever you come, I would say promote such people. They're very hardworking. They get their vegetables and everything from Shillong thrice every week. So yeah.